Social distancing. COVID-19 is a phenomenon that is taking the world by storm. With over 2 million confirmed cases worldwide, coronavirus has become a household name that is keeping everyone on their toes. Though other people and people with underlying illnesses appear to be subsidal to
Let's go.
the truth is anyone can get it if they don't take the appropriate precautions. According to the UCSF, this social distancing is currently the most important factor we can control the COVID-19 outbreak. Social distancing is the practice of avoiding and minimizing contact with others as much as possible. As citizens, it's our duty to play our part and follow CDC guidelines and social distance because this virus will continue to spread, but our loved ones at risk in destroying our economy is if we don't. COVID-19 has proved to be a rapidly spreading disease. According to the New York Times, it originally surfaced in a Chinese seafood and poultry market late last year and has spread to at least 177 countries. In less than half a year, the virus has traveled over 7,000 miles to not only the United States but several surrounding countries. Can you guess what's the #1 cause for this spread? Thousands and thousands of unknowingly infected people transmit the disease by traveling and from common day-to-day interactions. In an article on medicalnewstoday.com, it was articulated that when the COVID-19 breathed out our cough, the expire tiny droplets that contain the virus and can travel up to 6 feet. The droplets can live for up to 3 days on surfaces and can stay suspended in the air for half an hour. You make yourself vulnerable and risk becoming infected every time you leave the house. You never know who touched the doorknob before you or who didn't catch their sneeze. During the COVID-19 pandemic, it's important to think of yourself as well as your family and essential workers in your community. This is true. Every time you leave, you're putting yourself and everyone else in your house at risk. Is hanging out with your friends worth the guilt of knowing you transferred the coronavirus to a loved one? What's so scary about this disease is that scientists are still learning more and more about it. We do know the asymptomatic people are a real problem. As identified by dictionary.com, asymptomatic means showing no evidence of disease. There are people walking around believing that they're perfectly healthy, while silently spreading the disease to others. That friend you really wanted to hang out with this weekend, who said they're feeling fine, could be carrying the virus and pass it to you without even knowing it, according to healthline.com. As many as 50% of COVID-19 characters are unaware they have it. That's it. Any questions?
Yes. So you're telling me that I can have the virus and no one else will have it?
Yes. You can be carrying the virus and Leon can't be carrying the virus. But if you cough and Leon breathe in your cough, Leon can have that. She can have it. She can have it.
So will they show symptoms?
No, not everyone shows symptoms.
Okay.